दैट वॉज रियली स्कैरी बिकॉज हम सब डर गए कि 3 बजे बिना कोई अलार्म के, बिना कोई आवाज के, ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने ठकठकाया या कोई चल रहा था, कुछ आवाज नहीं था वहां पे। 3 शार्प सारे उठ गए।
It's for the very first time that India, us, all the viewers will be experiencing a CGI actor.
Actually a ghost coming out or a creature coming out from your back, so it gives you a lot of things to work on.
हेलो बॉलीवुड लाइफ व्यूअर्स, दिस इज संस्कृति योर होस्ट, और आज हम बात करेंगे अपकमिंग फिल्म मुंजिया के कास्ट के साथ। लेट अस वेलकम शर्वरी, अभय वर्मा एंड मोना सिंह।
Hello, hello.
वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड लाइफ।
Thank you so much, thank you.
सो सबसे पहले इस फिल्म की द बेस्ट पार्ट इज मुंजिया द कैरेक्टर एंड इट इज एन CGI एक्टर। टेल अस समथिंग मोर अबाउट दिस।
Okay, so CGI.
We both know.
Yeah, कि कौन So I have extensively never worked with an actor who is not there on set.
Yeah.
The most indisciplined actor I've seen. आया ही नहीं set पे, 1.5 साल बाद जाके आया है, but came out good. देर आए दुरुस्त आए वाली बात है. But yeah, talking to it in a serious way, jokes apart, it is a character which will be first seen in Hindi film industry,
Yes.
and of which we all are very proud to be the flag bearers of. तो पहली बार ये देखने को मिलेगा, and in a genre where you from a kid to a grandparent can go and watch it and love it. और कोई एक्चुअली अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पूछ भी रहा था कि कोई टेक अवे अगर आप बोलोगे आपको फिल्म से क्या लेना है, तो आप क्या लेना चाहोगे फिल्म ख़त्म होने के बाद। तो मुझे लगता है कि वो फीलिंग होगी कि हाँ यार, मेरे घर का सबसे छोटा मेंबर भी मेरे साथ है और मेरे घर के सबसे बड़ा मेंबर भी मेरे साथ है। तो वो कलेक्टिवली वो एक फन इंजॉय करने की जो बात होती है ना, आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट स्पेशल थिंग व्हिच विल बी अ बिग टेक अवे फॉर ऑडियंसेस फ्रॉम देयर पर्सपेक्टिव।
और तो टेक अवे ये भी होगा कि ग्रुप में सबसे बड़ा फट्टू कौन है ये भी आपको पता चल जाएगा।
बहुत सारे राज सब खुल जाएंगे कि कौन किसकी भाई क्या है। और दूसरी बात ये है कि बहुत टाइम बाद ऐसा कुछ मुझे लगता है एक्सपीरियंस करूंगा मैं भी थिएटर में, कि हाँ मैं भी अपने फुल फैमिली के साथ एकदम मज़े से जा रहा हूँ टू हैव अ गुड 2 hours ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड इंजॉय, लाफ, डरो भी और सब कुछ। तो मुंजिया मेक्स इट इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
Also, like you said, the fattu of the group, so it is a spooky set, and obviously there must have been. तो राजकुमार राव ने एक बार कहा था कि when they were shooting for Stree, they had witnessed something spooky. तो आप लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ witness किया?
3M story.
जी
3M story. We call it the 3M story.
बेसिकली हम एक्चुअली कोंकण में शूट कर रहे थे और कोंकण का डेमोग्राफिक रात को अगर लोगों ने आपको डरा के रखा है तो डरावना लग भी सकता है, बट है बड़ी खूबसूरत जगह। जब हम वहाँ पे रह रहे थे तभी जिस बुटीक होटल में हम रह रहे थे वहाँ पे समहाउ एक दिन ना ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे सबने ऐसे किसी ने रैंडमली बोल दिया कि हाँ कल मैं 3 बजे उठ गया, तो किसी ने बोला हाँ मेरा फ़ोन बज गया या ये वो। सडनली रियलाइज़ हुआ कि बहुत सारे लोग 3 बजे उठे थे। और लाइक आई रिमेंबर कि आई हैड वोकन अप टू गो टू द वॉशरूम एट 3 o'clock एंड आई वाज लाइक, और डर डर के फिर सब बोल रहे कि हाँ मैं भी 3 बजे उठी थी, मैं भी 3 बजे उठा था। एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज रियली स्कैरी बिकॉज हम सब डर गए कि 3 बजे बिना कोई अलार्म के, बिना कोई आवाज़ के, ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने ठकठकाया या कोई चल रहा था, कुछ आवाज़ नहीं था वहाँ पे। 3 शार्प सारे उठ गए। तो आई थिंक जिस वो ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम हमारे लिए काफ़ी हॉरर था। अब हम आपके साथ बात कर रहे हैं, हम कॉमेडी में उसको ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं जस्ट लाइक अ फिल्म, बट ये सबसे स्पूकी था हमारे लिए।
Okay, great. Okay, so horror films, you are doing an horror film. So how much of horror do you three guys, watch?
No, we don't watch horror films.
No, not at all.
We all are fattus, like
yeah.
we said. And if this was an out and out horror film, I think मैं शायद दूर ही रहती इससे, because this is a great combination of horror and comedy. I think that is why I'm a part of it. वरना मैं बहुत डरती हूँ.
But what attracted you towards this story, like?
You see, it's one of its kind. It's the first. It's for the very first time that India, us, all the viewers will be experiencing a CGI actor. तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है सबको, because it's gonna be what do you call? It's gonna be a fantasy world you'll get lost into, and which will also make you laugh and cry and feel empathy and get entertained. There's everything happening in the story of Munjiya.
Okay. So Abhay, you have played a transgender character in Safed and then Family Man, and now this. Being possessed on screen is something very difficult to play. Tell us about your experience.
About the possession of Munja?
Yeah, how difficult or easy it was for,
That's a good question.
No,
actually.
Munja's possessive of Abhay's shoulder. More than anything. He's very possessive.
Munja's
of
got
Abhay.
my back.
Munja's got his
Munja's
back.
got your back.
That's a good title for you. Abhay, Munja's got his back.
Sorry, what was the question?
how
carried away.
easy or difficult it was, to portray this character.
Yeah, actually, honestly, it has its own perks. Of course, Aditya sir was there to direct and everything. But the body language you see of actually a ghost coming out or a creature coming out from your back. So it gives you a lot of things to work on. Body language, your voice, your expression. So everything, came into play. And it was actually a very different experience for me because aisa nahi that you have to, there's a give and take happening, and it's actually a world that you're creating in your head और उसके हिसाब से आप acting कर रहे हो. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो इतने ऑडिशन दे के थोड़ी सी एक हेल्प हो जाती है कि हाँ चीज़ें माइम करने में आसानी हो जाती है. तो दैट वाज द इमेजिनेशन गेम विच वी रियली हैड टू ड्वेल इन, ऑल ऑफ अस एक्चुअली. तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस था और हम एक शॉट को, एक सीन नहीं, एक शॉट को 3 बार लेते थे. So that's the amount of work that has been put into to make this character alive and to present it to audience for have fun.
Okay. Also, the next best thing I would say about this is your song.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. That's a great compliment. Thank you.
Because you've always, spoken about it that you always wanted to do a dance number. So it is finally happening.
Yes.
How
yes.
was the feeling?
I think I'm still pinching myself. It's like, honestly, when Dinu told me that you have to do a song for the film, and we recently shot it. We shot for the song for 18 hours straight, and this was my first solo song. I really wanted to put all my heart and my soul and everything into it. I remember that I used to go in the morning and rehearse for the song, go back in the evening, rehearse for the song. In the middle, I was training for the spy film, and I was just like going around with lots of gym clothes, and I was constantly changing from like 5-6 gym clothes and just moving around from one place to another. And it was physically very challenging because the steps are also not very easy, because when the first time I saw it, I was like, oh wow, this. So it was like my oh wow was like, wow, I get to do this, but wow, I have to do this. So I think that's what happened, and I'm so grateful to the audience that they are loving the song so much. They're showering so much love towards me. I'm so grateful that this song came my way. I've always wanted to do a big song for a film, and it is a dream come true. It's a dream come true.
Oh.
Yeah, and you're looking pretty.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so if you three have to choose one amongst these 3 films, about Ruhi, Stree and Bhedia, which one it would be? First.
Stree. Oh, sorry. मैंने पहले
To
बोल दिया.
perform or to
Like as a
to
choice,
enjoy?
अच्छी कौन सी लगी?
Stree.
I would honestly choose Bhedia more than Stree. Stree also had its own, it was a good film only. It's a super film, but Bhedia was something like, मतलब मैं actually किसी को how Varun has also performed in that. Secondly, the transition and the changes which he had to go through. So that's that's also performance based. And thirdly, the most important thing कि भेड़िया एक ऐसा conviction से present करना so that it looks believable to the audiences now. It is very tricky space to play, and the risk that you have to take as producers and creators is something which is you have to have a big heart for that. तो मुझे भेड़िया उस तरीके से बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी.
Yeah, I think even I would pick Bhedia purely also as an actor, because I had read a lot of interviews and I had seen interviews of Varun and the amount of hard work apparently that had gone into it. He did this animal movement workshops and he got his body language to work according to Bhedia. He also, there was a beautiful message in the film which is very apt in today's time and age. Again, it's a mystical creature. It may or may not be true. Abhi pata nahi if people believe in bhediyas and werewolves or do they really exist. But I think that as an actor, the choice was really brave for bringing something so unconventional to people, and I've always been a huge fan of Varun's.
Oh, likewise. He's a gentleman and
and he was just too, like recently when I met him at a party, I put up a picture with him because he was so kind and so sweet at that party, and he was praising our trailer and the teaser, and he had seen a few things through Dinu. And he was talking to me very heart to heart about how to promote the film and how you should go all out. And so I said that I really want to do a picture with you because you're from the universe, you're Bhedia,
Yeah,
and we
right.
must do a picture. And he obliged. And honestly, I think it's great because it really helped us.
Right.
I too go for Stree, but I hope next would be Munja.
All right.
Thank you.
Oh, that's sweet.
Okay, so before we sign off, I just want to take up one fan questions for each of you.
Okay.
Okay, we'll start with Mona Singh.
Hanji.
So everybody wants to know something about Made in Heaven update.
Made in Heaven update. Even I'm waiting for an update. Yeah. Is there a season 3 or no? I have no idea. But I hope they
Okay.
announce.
Okay. So let's go with Abhay. The best memory about working in The Family Man or something more updates about it?
So season 3 is coming up, but I am not there. मैं तो उसमें मर गया था. Second
Yeah,
में मेरे प्यार में मारा गया
कैसे
लड़का.
बोलता
Season 3 is coming, but sorry, what?
Your best memory.
Best memory. Oh, अरे यार, lots yeah actually. The opportunity to work with Rajan DK sir is something no short of a golden thing to me, which I had on my shoulder. But apart from that, as an actor, to see Manoj Bajpayee in person performing,
Yeah.
just standing behind the camera, one of my fondest memories actually. The ability of his to switch off and on through characters and also take care of the comfortability of their co-actors. So that was something to learn from. He actually is my idol, and I really learn a lot. Well, most of the things which I have
Yeah.
in me is because of what I've seen of his. So that way I really admire him and I idolize him. तो उनको ऐसा live देखना it was something to really cherish.
True. Okay, so Sharvari, of
Yes.
course, you know what they're going to ask you about your Spy Universe film.
About Spy Universe, honestly, I'm going to say that I get to work with my favorite actor. And I think that it is going to be such a privilege to share screen space. And not just screen space, I'm sure that I'm going to learn so much from Alia. And more than anything, that's what I'm like. I'm a hungry actor, I'm a hungry fan, and a student of this craft wanting to learn from someone who is incredible. So for me, I'm going to fangirl obviously, and secondly, I'm just going to wait to learn as much and absorb as much as I can from her.
Okay, great. So I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Okay, so lastly, let's come back to Munja. I want you three to give one reasons why to watch Munja.
Why to watch Munjia? I mean, why not? There are a lot of
Yeah.
firsts.
Why not?
Why not?
There are a lot
Why
of
not?
firsts happening in the film. You know, it's a first horror comedy for
Yeah.
us. It's the first CGI actor created for
Yeah.
Munjia, and it is a first fantasy world where I'm 100% sure people would love to be a part of it and get lost in the world.
True. This is exciting.
Yes.
Anything you guys want to add?
Shall we go ahead?
I think that why people should watch it is because I think that ऐसी फिल्में ग्रुप में देखी जाती है जो आई एम श्योर कि कोई ग्रुप छोड़ो, एक इंसान एक दूसरे को पकड़ के तो जाएगा ही, एंड अकेला ज्यादातर लोग नहीं जाएंगे. तो जब आप जाओगे तो आई थिंक यू विल मेक अ रियली गुड कोर मेमोरी बिकॉज सच फिल्म्स are not just the films will be what they will always be, but you will make your own memory. क्योंकि किसी को किसी पे डर लगेगा, किसी के पॉपकॉर्न उड़ जाएंगे, किसी का ड्रिंक गिर जाएगा, पता नहीं क्या हो सकता है. But I think that that memory that you make as a group or as just two people, I think that they'll cherish for the rest of their life. And I hope that when people go ahead and say कि अरे जब हम मुंजा देख रहे थे पता है तेरे साथ क्या हुआ, I think that's a good takeaway for them.
True. I am excited for this one. Okay, thank you so much, and I love chatting with you guys. It was superb energy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you
synced.
to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Live.